Colors LED Jiangmen production base is located at Zhonghadi District, Jiangmen City, Guangdong Province, adjacent to the intersection of two main expressways and close to Zhongshan Gafen and high-speed railway station. Walking into Colors LED Jiangmen, you will have a direct experience of focus, professionalism and high quality. Along the stairs, you will see the office area of our engineering and PXE departments to ensure high-quality production and fast delivery. Luminaire manufacturing is the core function of Colors LED Jiangmen. The whole base divided into one open production workshop, 5 closed pre-processing workshops, and 2 warehousing area. The current annual output value of about 100 million RMB. The open production workshop includes luminaires production area, luminaires and profile packaging area, accessories and outer box packaging area. 5 closed pre-processing workshops are aluminum machining workshop, CNK finishing workshop, customized spraying workshop, customized light source workshop, PC cover extrusion workshop. The raw material warehouse mainly stores aluminum profiles, luminaire accessories, packaging materials, etc. We use the MCR management system, and all the materials have independent QR code labels, which you can scan directly to get the information. A motorized forklift standardizes the entrance and exit, pick and place, and handling of materials, which is efficient, safe, and clean. After the materials arrive at the warehouse, they will be categorized into the corresponding exclusive warehouse after the inspection. Each raw material has protective layer. It will be removed one by one to compare with the samples again. The quality control standard is the whole 2.5 meter profile must have less than 2 areas of less than 2.5 millimeters mold scratching. Characteristic arc luminaire is a highlight of Colors LED products. The arc profile processing process includes surface grinding, loading shaping belt, roll bending and shaping, arc detection, workpiece cutting. The automatic polishing machine is more consistent than manual polishing and increases efficiency by 87%. In the hollow space of the profile, fill the plastic shaping tape to ensure the precise bending of the profile without chipping. Experienced workers complete the bending and shaping by bending equipment strip by strip. Inspection fixtures are used to guarantee precise measurements. Fixture placement cutting is used to make sure the arc angle and length satisfies testing requirements. The processing of large-size linear luminaires has very high requirements for machines. Colors LED adopts high-precision double-head cutting saws with cutting lengths ranging from 420 to 6,000 millimeters and cutting angles between 22.5 degrees to 135 degrees, and its accuracy and angle error is within 0.1 millimeters and 0.5 degrees, respectively. Welding of arc rounding and all kinds of corner parts are carried out by using laser and welding wire method, which is polished after welding for beautiful appearance and precise size. To further meet the demand for the new linear lighting system 3.0 products for infinite lights customization, Colors LED has built a new CNK finishing workshop with a laser cutting machine dedicated to aluminum plate cutting, an engraving machine for PC panel cutting, and the automatic roll bending machine for aluminum profiles, specializing in a variety of customized shaping. Allows for flexible and fast delivery of customized products requested by customers. We cooperate with high-quality suppliers for the surface oxidation and spraying of large quantity order, for the surface treatment, spraying, and color customization of small volume orders are completed independently through the customized spraying workshop. The customized spraying process includes polishing and cleaning, hang on the shelf, spraying, 210 baking for 10 minutes. Cooling, blanking inspection, and other links. The commonly used spraying colors are black, white, and silver. The customized colors such as rose gold, sand green blue, champagne gold, and so on. Large volume standardized light source production. Completed in colors LED Yangshu light source production base. Independently completed from LED encapsulation to patch welding and protection process of the whole process for small batch, customized, and fast response luminaire orders. We set up this customized light source workshop. The right combination of machine and workshop design can flexibly complete the customization of the light source with special lights, color, temperature, and power. The PC cover extrusion workshop for linear luminaire has 3 automatic extrusion lines. Firstly, mix the raw materials according to the formula and extrude after high temperature melting by an extruder, then cooled by water with mold shaping. The protective film is put on the surface to prevent scratches in the handling process. Lastly, blanking according to the length demand, then bundle for length fine cutting, package to complete. When all the materials are ready, the order will proceed to the product assembly line. Track lights assembly production process has soldering wires, installing power take-off box, welding power module, installing cover, fixing plugs, aging test, electrical characteristics check, appearance inspection. Downlights assembly production process has soldering wires with cob, installing bracket, installing radiator, lighting check circuit, installing lens, installing front ring and back cover, aging test. Linear luminaire assembly production process has structural parts check, installation of the light source, installation of power supply, installation of the mask, fixing plugs, aging test. Here we can flexibly meet the assembly production of standard linear luminaires and shaped customized luminaires. Standard shape accessories for luminaires are packaged by an automatic machine, highly efficient and error-free. And specially shaped accessories are sorted manually. Luminaire packaging includes internal and external packaging. Internal packaging uses two-way pillow bagging and heat shrink bagging. And we can provide brand identification patrimony. External packaging adopts the way of the independent cutting board and flexible packing, fully adapting to the rich variety of different product packaging needs. And the carton can provide colors LED brand packaging or neutral packaging in order to protect the goods from external forces and environmental factors during long distance and long time transportation. Two ends of the outer box will be reinforced by plastic corner protectors. The whole box will be wrapped with film and tying bands to facilitate the moving and delivering. The finished goods are transferred to the designated warehouse shelves by motorized forklift, and access management is carried out with the help of the MCR system. After confirming the customer's logistics information, Colors LED Jiangmen will quickly deliver the goods to global customers through various domestic and foreign transportation channels.